Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. So right now I am in one of our new project sites. So I just want to give you some more some details about this project. The area. So this area we are going to make temporary office facilities in one area. So before that one we are going to backfill this area with the imported gedge soil. Then after that one we are going to put this perimeter fence all around this area. Then there will be temporary office facilities, around 3 temporary facilities we are going to install. Then along with that one there will be one storage facility, storage warehouse also. So this is basic details, and along with that one there will be all the connections, plumbing, water, all the connections will be there. So this is some basic details about this project. Of course I will give you more updates once we start the project. Thank you very much.